Welcome to this vagus nerve reset and somatic meditation for instant relief. We aren't just sitting still today. We are actively communicating with your vagus nerve, the master conductor of your internal orchestra. This nerve is the bridge between your primitive survival instincts and your capacity for deep, grounded peace. This meditation will renew your nervous system and give you lasting calm. When we soothe the vagus nerve, we send a biological all-clear signal to the brain. We move out of the red zone of stress and into the green zone of restoration. Think of the next few minutes as a software update for your well-being. So find your space, whether you're sitting upright or lying flat. Let your body become heavy. Release the urge to do and shift into being. Feel the space in which your body is occupying. Now let your palms turn upwards, fingers curling naturally. You can also bring the tips of your index fingers to the tips of your thumbs, which creates an energy lock for grounding. In yoga, we call it a mudra. Now, take a slow, intentional breath in through the nose. As you exhale through your mouth, imagine you are sighing out the entire day. Feel where your body meets the surface beneath you. You are being held. You don't need to hold yourself up anymore. Let the chair or the floor take 100% of your weight. The vagus nerve passes through several gates in the body. Let's open them. Let's start with the shoulders. Notice if your shoulders feel tense, shrugged, or near the ears. Gently roll them back and let them drop away from your ears. Feel the space between your neck and your collarbones expand. Next, let's move to the jaw. Unclench and let your jaw completely relax. Let there be a small space between your upper and lower teeth. Allow your tongue to fall away from the roof of your mouth. This simple act tells your brain that there is no immediate threat to fight. We will now use a specific rhythm to stimulate the parasympathetic response and find that deep, safe space for relaxation. The secret is in the long, slow exhale. We'll inhale through the nose for a count of 4, filling the belly. We'll hold for a breath for a count of 1, suspended in stillness. And then we'll exhale through pursed lips for a count of 6, like you're blowing through a straw. And then we'll pause for a count of 1. Let's begin the cycle. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and hold. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and pause. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and hold. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and pause. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and hold. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and pause. As you continue, feel your heart rate begin to sync with your breath. Your system is beginning to down-regulate, moving into the rest and repair mode. You can now let go of the breath count and just breathe deeply from your belly and diaphragm. The vagus nerve is physically connected to your vocal cords, and we can massage it from the inside using sound. So let's take a deep breath, and on the exhale, create a low frequency hum, a steady sound. Inhale, exhale. Feel the vibration in your throat, your chest, and your lips. Let's do this one more time. Inhale. Exhale. Notice how the vibration breaks up the static of your thoughts. Now, bring your internal gaze to the base of your skull. Visualize the vagus nerve as a luminous golden thread. Trace it as it wanders down your neck, wraps around your heart, brushes your lungs, and settles into your gut. Imagine a warm, honey-like light flowing down this thread. It bathes the heart, slowing the beat to a steady, confident rhythm. It bathes the belly, softening the muscles and allowing for deep digestion and ease. Every cell it touches receives the message: you are safe, you are protected, you can rest and relax. Now, place one hand on your heart and the other on your lower abdomen. This is containment. You are providing your own nervous system with a secure attachment. Think of a safe harbor, a person, a pet, or a memory where you felt completely unjudged and at peace. Breathe that feeling into your chest. This isn't just an emotion. It's a physiological state called ventral vagal, the state of social connection and safety. Before we finish, project yourself into your day or evening. See yourself navigating your tasks with this same low and slow calming energy. And you aren't just calm, you are regulated. Now, thank your body for its incredible intelligence. Even when it feels anxious, it is only trying to protect you. Thank it for returning to balance now. Gratitude releases dopamine, soothes inflammation, and reminds your whole biological system of pure joy. Remember, your vagus nerve is always listening, and at any time you can reset it with breath, sound, and awareness. Now, gently wiggle your fingers, move your jaw from side to side, wiggle your toes. When you open your eyes, try to keep your gaze soft for the first few moments. You are not the same person who started this meditation. Your system has been reset. You are clear, calm, safe, and relaxed. Now say to yourself, I am clear, calm, safe, and completely relaxed. Peace and namaste. For more meditations, yoga practices, and breath work, you can check out our free resource below, and you can also check out our Yoga Map School community. Thank you for listening.